Easy to install and use, Dream Sport Cycle Computer large LCD, clear display, small size, lightweight and waterproof designed bike computer make it more easy and convenient to use while cycling. Wrie anti-interference cycling computer is more accurate and reliable than wireless transmission. Multi-16 functions, basic 16 functions 2 button to read your speed and odometer statistics easily. Automation scan, start, stop, speedometer, distance, odometer save, auto trip time, digital clocks, clocked, average speedometer, max speedometer, speed tendency, speed comparator, km or m select, service program, freeze frame memory, auto power on, off, temperature, waterproof and others functions also equipped. Special auto and interaction. No matter caught at a red light or stop for coffee, Dream Sport Bike Computer have got you covered. It knows when you've stopped and automatically stops counting by service program insert. Environment temperature is more convenient and well control for your riding. Bike applicable. Road bicycles, mountain bikes, folding bikes, and other common bicycles are compatible with this bicycle computer. Wire length. 35.43 inch 90 centimeters. This bicycle computer may not be compatible with some electric assist bicycles. If the sensor and magnet can be installed within the specified distances, device should be fully compatible. Please do not hesitate to contact us with any questions. 20 plus choices 1.5-year warranty. Dream Sport has had full range 20 plus models bike computer for choices and worldwide professional user with professional engineering service for all using issues. We are making effort of better online service and 1.5-year free warranty. Please contact us if any question about using. Top reviews from the United States. The best bike computer I ever used. First of all, I want to say that previous to this I used several bike computers that were both wireless and wired. All were hard to set up and oftentimes they simply skipped mph readings randomly or did not record the distance accurately. I decided to test out the Dream Sport to see what it could do and how well it would perform. The item arrived quickly and was very well packaged. The setup was a breeze with no issues whatsoever. Since I have used so many of these before, I did not have to refer to the instructions for the initial installation. Setting the computer for the right settings was also extremely easy. Be sure to refer to the included chart so you can get your tire size setting correct. This is important for accuracy. The tire size is printed right on the side of your bike tire. It will also prompt you to set up the correct time and if you want standard, mph, or metric, km, as your choice of speed measurement. Once you have everything set, you are set to go. It even gives you the temperature. It has a long-term odometer as well as a distance measurement for individual rides. All in all, I was very impressed with the performance, style and readability.